when we worked with JDR, one of the things that stood out to us was the integrity and the professionalism, because things come up during a remodel, and
For sure.
their ability to be on top of those things and anticipate those things and minimize those things was really, really beneficial to us.
It's functional, it works for John, and it's just so inviting. It's open, it's airy. Anybody that walks into our home, they walk in and they're like, wow, this is a beautiful home. And it just gives you that experience of being on vacation, really.
One of the things we wanted to accomplish, I think, was creating more of an indoor-outdoor continuity that wasn't there before. We just had walls and small windows between our living space and the backyard, and we really opened everything up, and now it feels like one big space, and it kind of lets a lot of nature and a lot of light in that we didn't have before. I think the biggest difference before and after the remodel was accessibility. We really wanted to try to do a universal design that met a lot of my needs, but also met the needs of everyone else in the house or people that came over. And we created a space in the kitchen and bathroom and backyard that just allowed me to have no barriers. And so it created spaces that we could hang out more as a family, that I could be more involved and do more things. So in addition to the design, it was really, for me, a lot of the functionality. Just feels timeless, like a space that we know we can enjoy for many, many years. So.